Welcome to 456 Toynevale Road, 3+2 bedroom brick bungalow situated on a premium size lot within the prestigious Rosebank neighbourhood of West Pickering. Set well back from the street and featuring ample driveway parking as well as a carport, this home has a sun-washed south-facing front entrance, a side entry door with a barbecue deck directly off the kitchen, and with a lot size of 50 by 603 feet, a backyard of possibilities. The main level features a combined living and dining room with crown moldings, oak hardwood flooring, and a huge south-facing window overlooking the front yard, while the kitchen has an east-facing window in its breakfast area and ceramic flooring throughout, as well as an open design with plenty of storage and workspace that also includes an oven with gas cooktop, a dishwasher, a fridge with bottom-mount freezer, and a stainless steel sink. The 3 bedrooms are nicely sized, have large windows with north or west facing exposures, as well as ample closet storage. And the main level washroom has been beautifully updated with upgraded floor tiles, a furniture style vanity with an elegant drop-in basin, and a glass shower with tiled walls, a river rock floor and wall border, as well as rainfall and handheld shower heads. The Rosebank neighbourhood is very family-minded, and within a 3-minute walk is both Rosebank Road Public School and Blaisdell Montessori School. This home is also within the catchment area of some of Pickering's finest schools, including Father Fenelon Catholic Elementary School, as well as Frenchman's Bay Public, Dunbarton High, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, with the latter 4 schools offering French immersion, and within a 5-minute drive are 3 more Montessori schools, one which offers a French immersion learning curriculum. Along Kingston Road are a wide variety of businesses and services for everyday or essential needs, including convenience stores, grocery shopping, gas stations, medical and dental services, restaurants, and more, while the Durham Region Transit Pulse 900 route provides Kingston Road Highway 2 bus service from Pickering to Oshawa, as well as to the University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses in Scarborough. The home's roof is 4 years old, and both the furnace as well as the air conditioning are just 8 years old. And the furnace room also provides lots of storage space in a lower level that features a 4-piece washroom, 2 additional bedrooms, and a spacious recreation area with a sliding door walkout to the backyard. With a lot depth of just over 600 feet, this home's extremely deep backyard offers more than abundant space for an urban garden, a playground, or a cottage-like outdoor oasis. Lined with mature shade trees and evergreens, and having existing storage sheds, garden beds, and a patio area, there are many possibilities to explore for this premium-sized space. Imagine a heated in-ground pool with a gorgeous waterfall feature and landscape lighting, surrounded by an extensive patio with dining and conversation areas, an outdoor kitchen, and a hot tub. Design a huge vegetable garden for fresh homegrown produce with a greenhouse for year-round growing, or maybe start the flowers for the English garden that has been a lifelong dream. Create a backyard playground for summertime playtime for the kids, complete with swing sets, sandboxes, slides of all kinds, geodesic climbers, spinners, and spring riders, as well as a few benches from which to watch them play. And the backyard does dip downward near its midpoint, becoming a great tobogganing hill for wintertime outdoor fun. The rear of the property is very open and has lots of space for volleyball, badminton, tennis, or perhaps a basketball court, or if you're an avid golfer, then enjoy the existing backyard golf green to keep perfecting your swing. And since putting skills are also important, maybe consider a putting green as well. An exceptional property in one of Pickering's most mature, upscale, and sought-after neighbourhoods, this home enjoys a rather exclusive location surrounded by the natural landscapes of Rouge National Urban Park to the west, the Petticoat Creek Conservation Area to the east, and Lake Ontario's shoreline to the south, where you can connect to the waterfront trail and walk or bike along the lake. And this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.